What kind of flooring is best for kitchens? In my personal opinion, it's porcelain tile. It's second to none. If you ever have a problem with an ice maker line or a dishwasher or anything like that overflowing into your kitchen, you mop it up and you're on with your day. Ice cubes that plunk out of your ice maker and nobody feels like bending over to pick them up, or your dog that slobbers their water dish all the way across your kitchen. This is the reason why you want to put porcelain tile in your kitchen. Porcelain tile will hold up to dropping pans and stuff like that on the kitchen floors. Now, if you drop a glass, the glass is going to lose. But in the grand scheme of things, it's the ideal flooring for your kitchens. It's easy to maintain. You just mop it up. You can vacuum it. You can sweep it. Very, very easy to care for. So in one of the highest traffic areas of your home, tile is the ideal solution for you.